Hi there. In the last video, I showed you how to create a simple Android project. I hope you followed me. Moving on, in this video, I want to show you how you can use GitHub, give you an overview of Git and GitHub and how you can use that. I've provided more details in my blog post, the link for which I've shared in the video description, which you can find below. So if you're not already familiar with Git and GitHub and wondering why it's important, or you know basically why you should use it, then I'll tell you the reason for that. And and most of you might already be familiar with GitHub, and it's kind of a buzzword in the among the technology folks. And it might seem like a rocket science, but it's not. It's pretty simple to use, and I'll show you basically how you can use it. So let's get started. I'll start by giving you an overview of what Git is and what GitHub is. And the best place to learn about the technologies is to go straight to Wiki. So without wasting any time, let's see what Git is. So Git is basically a source code management system, as you can see here. And it's like a version control system. I don't know if you're familiar with SVN or other version control systems, but it was primarily created to maintain source code versions. The idea of source code version comes into picture when you have a team working on a project and you have people working on the same source code, so to say. So to avoid conflicts or lose code, or there are multiple problems when you work as a team or even as an individual when you want to maintain versions of your source code. So that to overcome that problem, like the guy who developed like Linux, basically he created this Git, uh, which 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 was initially used to maintain the source code for Linux, and eventually it started to gain traction and became very popular among developers. So that was the sole idea behind Git. And now coming to GitHub. So why GitHub? So if you go to if you go to their site, you'll see basically it's a powerful collaboration, code review and code management software. So the thing is that it's like a social collaboration platform where developers can showcase their projects. People can collaborate and work together on on different projects. It's a place where you can find a lot of open source projects, lot of interesting projects which are going on. So that's the basic idea behind GitHub. If you don't have an account on GitHub, I'll encourage you to get one. It's free, and you can start using it, start following people. It's like Facebook for developers. So since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and sign in and show you how it looks like. So as you can see, I have a repository already, and repository is like a storage space basically. So I have all these projects in my repository which I have created so far. So I'll show you how you can, how you can store the current project that we created in GitHub, and then start to make commits or share your project with others. So I'll do this in the next lecture. Um, but if you want to check out, learn more about Git or GitHub, then please like go to the blog or just Google and get more information around these technologies. It's going to help you a long way in your software developer career basically. So I'll highly encourage you to learn more about this. But in the next lecture, I'll walk you through the steps needed to move your project to GitHub, and then we'll go on from there. So thanks for watching this and staying with me. Thanks. Bye.